Good morning, Tito. May potential kaya mag 3x or higher si BTC dahil sa mass adoption. 3 times or higher? Si BTC, 3 times from the price today, mga 90K. There's a possibility. The only question lagi is when. If you are going to analyze yung traditional finance market, sabihin na natin, no? Market cap po kasi pinag-uusapan dito eh. Yung gold market cap, it's on the trillions of dollars. Look at the real estate market cap. It's in the trillions of dollars. Look at the bonds market cap. It's in the trillions of dollars. And si Bitoy, hundreds of trillions yan, yung mga binanggit ko Si Bitoy yan ala pang 1 trillion ngayon. So, yun yung mga potential upside. Ngayon, the only question is, kailan yan mangyayari? Ang next question dyan is, what are you going to do while you are anticipating or waiting for that to happen? Okay, bakit? Because that will make a difference Diba? That will make a big difference sa wealth creation game mo. Whether it will go 2x, kahit sabihin na natin 2x na lang. Whether it will go just 1.5x. Ang tanong, anong plano mo? Kasi kung wala kang plano, kahit umabot po yan ng 10x, mangangamote ka pa rin. Because you don't know what to do. You don't have plans. Diba? Tito Moves yan. Follow and like for more updates.